This meditation is an invitation to align your chakras, bring balance to your body and mind, and strengthen your connection to the earth and your higher self. Find a quiet and comfortable place. Lie down gently, and if you can, place a pillow under your knees to release any tension in your spine. Now, keeping your chin in place, lift your eyes as high as you can, as if you were looking at your eyebrows. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Once more, inhale while keeping your eyes up. Exhale. And one last time, breathe in deeply. And as you exhale, gently close your eyelids, allowing your eyes to relax. Feel a wave of relaxation washing over your face, your eyes, and bring a gentle smile to your face. Now, imagine a ray of white light coming directly from the universe. This light descends as a divine gift, a part of you that has lived many lives, watching over you, protecting you, and guiding you. This ray of light moves through the Earth's atmosphere. It glides down gently, passing through the clouds, moving across the sky, entering the space around you. It moves through the ceiling and flows straight into the top of your head. Now, this light begins to change. It takes on a different texture, like a warm, golden honey, slowly flowing through your body. With every part it touches, your body relaxes even more. The light moves through your scalp, covering every strand of hair, gliding over your forehead, your eyelids. It moves down to your neck, ears, nose, mouth, softening every muscle in your face. Now, let the light flows through your throat, opening space for your true expression. It moves through your shoulders, arms, elbows, hands, and fingers, melting away any tension. You feel this energy moving down through your chest, back, and stomach, filling every cell with light, bringing harmony and balance. The light keeps flowing, now through your hips, thighs, knees, calves, until it reaches your feet. Now, as this white light reaches your toes, it begins to change again. It transforms into vibrant roots that grow and extend downward, connecting to the earth. These roots begin to shift in color, turning deep red and pulsating with strength and stability. They move further and further down through the soil, past rocks, minerals, and crystals. They continue descending until they reach the beating heart of Mother Earth, a giant glowing quartz crystal at the planet's center. Now, these roots wrap around the crystal, anchoring you deeply. You feel the energy of the earth rising through these roots, flowing back into your body. A warm, healing energy travels from your feet to the top of your head, filling each of your chakras with vitality, balance, and strength. You are completely aligned. All of your chakras are cleansed, harmonized, and vibrating in perfect balance. You feel the connection between the sky and the earth flowing within you. The white light of the universe guides you, while the grounding energy of Mother Earth holds you. You are present. You are centered. You are at peace. You are here and now. Now, slowly bring awareness back to your body. Feel the surface beneath you. Gently move your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, in your own time, open your eyes.